Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech G815 keyboard, a higher end keyboard released mid-2019 to see if the general quality and its lower profile GL switches are really worth the $250 price tag. Starting off with the unboxing. We were pretty surprised with how nice the unboxing experience was. With regards to the keyboard design, it's definitely sleek and polished at first sight. Its minimalist gaming keyboard look is perhaps due to its aluminum housing and the two flip-up feet, in which you can choose to raise it to either 4 degrees or 8 degrees. The body is overall well built and could definitely take a good beating. We can see that Logitech did an excellent job in making this keyboard low profile. The GL switches by Logitech are very slim. This is beneficial for keeping that low profile and also making the key presses easier. We noticed that our fingers didn't hurt as much after typing for a long period of time because of these GL switches. And in typical TechBarn fashion, we obviously have to examine the cable, and we are proud to say that it is braided, exactly how we like it. On the back of the keyboard, there is a USB pass-through. On the top of the keyboard, there are soft buttons. The same soft buttons can be found above the number pad for your media controls. There's also a game mode button that when is on, if you accidentally press the Windows key or delete key while you're playing another game, it will not disturb the game you're playing. Another thing that the G815 has that I value is the volume scroll wheel. I know that many have mixed opinions on it, but personally I find it very satisfying to fiddle with. This wouldn't be a complete review without a sound test, so here you go. My experiences with this keyboard have been addicting, but only after learning to adapt to its build. At first, I was a little thrown off with the height of the keycaps in comparison to more conventional mechanical keyboards. However, adjusting to this was easy, and within a short time, I was on my way to typing up to my normal speeds with this keyboard. I personally found this keyboard really tactile and satisfying to use. Something to note though is that the delete key can be actuated without me clicking the button when I press it on the edge. Despite Logitech's excellent keyboard quality, I still find the micro-technical build of this keyboard to be the hardest to adjust to. Another thing that we like about this keyboard is the unique backlighting. The RGB is all across the keyboard's face, from the Logitech logo right to the play and pause button. All the lighting is controlled via the Logitech G Hub software, and I think the most notable perk is the fact that we can set individual keys to specific colors. Of course, there are multiple other lighting options you can choose from as well. Overall, we can say that despite the Logitech G815 being a premium gaming keyboard, the price tag is probably a bit too high. However, it definitely feels and looks like it is worth $250. So if this is your price range, the G815 is surely a solid option for a low profile keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you did, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could head over to our Instagram and Twitter and drop a follow over there as well. It helps us out a bunch. As always, this has been TechBarn during quarantine, and we'll see you in our next video.